A small red-bellied black snake has been entangled in bird netting. Mark and Neil, both trained snake handlers from Wildcare in Queanbeyan, will release the snake, and Mark will continue to look after the snake until it recovers. For more information on Wildcare Queanbeyan, look at the URL at the end.
If you're doing taking the net out, you use nice, sharp, very fine scissors, like these little dressmaking scissors off to the side. Minimum of 2 people. The person holding the jig keeps an eye on the head. Doesn't really watch what the person cutting out's doing. Pretty much all the time with bird netting, they're going to be cut into them and they're going to have an open wound, which basically means you're going to have to take them into care. What happens is with an open wound is they very easily get fly blown. Okay, you want to get him ready, you right? Alright?
Yeah, mate.
So we'll just check his around the head there.
He's been bleeding.
Yeah, you can see.
Got split scars everywhere. Those stomach scars are all split.
You can see just there.
Yeah.
Just there is just there.
Yeah.
His open wound. Yeah, he's got. See how he's very down the bottom here, and just there, right there near his head, there's actually a wound. You just want to bring that around a bit so you can see from that side. Turn him around so we can see the belly scales. Here you can see the serious damage done. See down the side there, and keep turning him. And just lift him up a bit. No, keep turning him back the other way. Okay, there, see how he's exposed underneath? And just near the head. The snake doesn't look worse for wear, but he does now have an open wounds.
So do you think he'll survive?
Yes, he will survive.
Yeah.
He'll survive that. The only real major dramas you have is that with the open wounds is they can get fly blown, the maggots get in, and then it will kill the snake. But he would, in the wild too now, you could actually virtually release him now, but then you're just taking a risk with him. Settle down, let him rehydrate, drink as he needs, and with the fluids, because he is not too dehydrated, yes, you can see, because of the way the body is, but the way he's hanging, he's very lethargic. He's underweight too, and luckily this time of year it's pretty cold, but in summertime they die very quickly in the sun because it's the sun. They get sunstroke very hard. The sun, they dehydrate real quick, but it still takes time, and their metabolism is slowing down now with the weather, so the wounds take a lot longer to heal.
Oh, he'll be feeling a lot happier now, won't he?
Oh, you can just see him just stoked. He wants to go out partying, you know. He's out there.